discuss about the application of Slovin's formula in determining the sample size. So let us start our discussion with a problem. So for example, a researcher wants to study about the cognitive skills of high school students. If the school has 980 students from 4 different grade levels, how many students will be taken from each grade level? So in this case, we will need to use the 95% confidence level. So allow me to show to you the data of the population of that particular school. So in that school, there are 280 grade 7 students, 245 grade 8 students, 235 grade 9 students, and only 220 grade 10 students, a total of 980 students. So to solve this problem, we will need to have it in 2 parts. So the first part is to get the sample size using the Slovin's formula. So this is the formula wherein N is the sample, the capital letter N is the population, and E here is the margin of error. So we know that there are 980 students in that school. And to use the formula, we also need to get the confidence level and the margin of error. And to get the margin of error, we will need to subtract 95 from 100%. So that means 100% minus 95%, you have 5%, and that will be our margin of error, or 0.05. Since we already have the population and the margin of error, we can now use the Slovin's formula and substitute these values. Here, we have 980 divided by 1 plus 980 times the square of the margin of error, which is 0.05. So to simplify the denominator, we first need to square 0.05, then multiply it to 980, then add 1. So therefore, 980 divided by 3.45 will give us the sample size of 284. So this means instead of surveying the total 980, you only need to survey 284 so that you can save time, money, and effort. So the second part here is to allocate the 284 from these 4 grade levels. So how to do that? So we know that the sample size is 284. So this means we only need to get the percentage in order for us to know the representative of each grade level. So how to get the percentage? So that means 280 divided by the total 980 and multiply it to the sample size. So again, 280 divided by 280 times 284. Using the calculator, you will get 81. Same process. 245 divided by 980 times 284, you get 71. In this part, 235 divided by 980 times 284 gets 68. And 280 divided by 980 times 284, we get 64. So when we add this up, we could sum up to 284. So I think that will be all for today. Thank you so much for listening. So drop your comments. Okay? Have a nice day.